Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to our Spring AI classes. In our previous classes, we learned a couple of models. Today we'll learn one more model. What is MiniMax? If you want, just I asked ChatGPT what is MiniMax. MiniMax short is a family of AI language models and chatbots created by MiniMax. MiniMax is a organization from China. It's a Chinese AI company. Their main focus is building competitive large language models similar to OpenAI, Anthropic, and Mistral. What it will do, Minimax Chart, essentially an AI assistant like ChatGPT powered by Minimax proprietary LLMs, such as these are the different models: ABAB 5.5 chart, ABAB 6 chart, ABAB 7.5 chart, newer Minimax reasoning models. It also provides question and answers, code assistance, multilingual chat, summarizes and document processing, creative writing, productivity tasks. So this about the Minimax. But now coming to our concept, how we will integrate Spring AI with Minimax. Like other models, what we need first, we need to get the API key from the Minimax registration page. After that, we need to configure that in our application properties or ML file by using the Minimax API key as a property name. Then if you want to keep that in an environment file, we can use export. We can use programmatically as well. The other main activity is to integrate with Spring AI. We need to add the pom.xml as a dependency. Spring AI starter model Minimax. Either we can use Gradle as well. So these are the different chart properties where we have seen these properties in earlier models also. Spring AI retry max attempts. Maximum number of retry attempts is 10. Initial interval is 2 seconds. Backup multiplier is 5. Max Maximum backup duration is 3 minutes. HTTP codes empty. Connection properties. Minimax used property prefix that lets you connect to the Minimax. Base URL API key. API minimax.chart. Again, some more models here mentioned. Spring.ai model.chart. Enable Minimax chart model. Once we mentioned Minimax, by default this value comes as a Minimax value. So then chart base URL api.minimax.chart. Then what are the model we are going to use? These are the different models which Minimax chart provides. We can use any one of this model in our configuration. Based on that, it will connect to the respective model and will bring the results. Max tokens, then temperature 0.7, top of P, chat options. These are the different properties mentioned here. Whenever you have requirement to integrate with Minimax, then go through this and provide the configuration as per your requirement. Now coming to chart model. Chart response, chart model.call, we can call that method. Minimax chart options.builder. Whatever the model we want to use in our application, we can use that get value temperature 0.5. How we write the controller? Same way like other controllers for other models which we have seen in previous classes. We have to provide the API key, then the model, then the temperature. These three are important. We'll use the inject the MiniMax chart model in the controller. Once that, we can do through auto wiring through constructor. The chart model whichever we have injected, we can use chart model dot call whatever the message we want to use. By default message, tell me a joke message or any message you can give it, but default is this is the message. Default also you can change the value and dynamically from the UI or your chart box, whatever the message you provide, based on that it will connect to the chart model and it will bring the response. This is how the flow will happen usually. If you want to do the manual configuration, for the same thing, first pom.xml we need to add the Spring AI.minimax or Gradle if you are in our application if you are using. Get the Minimax API key from the system.get environment using the new Minimax API. Then Minimax chart model. Programmatically we are keeping these values. On chart response, this is a message call. We are calling this message. Then this is a stream. If you want to the low-level Minimax API client, it will provide the Minimax API Java client. Chart completion message. These are the example how we can connect to the uh, Minimax client API. If you see here, response entity Minimax API dot chart completion entity new chart completion request list of whatever the chart completion message and model and the temperature. This is how it will work. Web search chart. The Minimax model supported the web search feature. The web search feature allows you to search the web information and return the results in the chart response, like SERP API kind of thing. It will give the exact web inside the web and get the results. So for that, we can use the request like this function tool. This is about the Minimax Chat API model. We'll learn tomorrow another model and we can get integrate with Spring AI. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.